Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use flight credit on Southwest Airlines. So before using the flight credits, we need to understand what is the flight credits in Southwest and how actually they work. So a flight credit is a credit from either a cancelled flight or a downgrade in fare that can be used to buy a future flight. Flight credits don't expire. So in order to view your available flight credits, you need to just simply go to the rapid rewards section, and then you need to simply log in into your account, then select my account option from the main menu. Over here you will be able to see my travel funds option. Then you just have to simply tap on it and then select the payments option. Now any available flight credit associated with your name and account number will be listed over here. If you need to look up the flight credits that are not associated with the Rapid Rewards account, you can use the Check Travel Funds page. So in order to use it, you just have to simply come to Southwest, and then you just have to provide your route. On the checkout page, you just have to select the flight credit option, and this way you will be able to easily use it in order to basically book the other flights on Southwest. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.